Hello, this is Jenny, and I'll be taking a class on the Pomodoro Technique today. And the Pomodoro Technique is a very important tool for your learning resources, and it helps you to study and memorize whatever you want to study in a better manner. So, the Pomodoro Technique is not only for the study, it can be done for anything, and it's actually a device or a system to stop procrastination. So, if you have a tendency to keep postponing things, it can be anything. It can be drawing a figure, it can be reading a book, it can be whatever, learning something, whatever, cooking something, whatever. So, if you're trying to completely postpone the activity again and again, that means you have the problem of procrastination. So correct. So to correct that problem, what you can do is you can actually do something called the Pomodoro technique. And the background of the Pomodoro technique, the word Pomodoro is actually because it is something related. It's a dish related to tomatoes. That's why you can see a tomato and you can see something else. There is a timer on the tomato also. So that is exactly what the Pomodoro technique is. You do not need any other expertise or any other instruments or appliance, anything. It's very free. So what you can do is, if you have a timer, it can be from your mobile, it can be from your clock or whatever. And if you have any sort of a timer, you can set the timer. First thing that you should do is actually select a task for completing, and second is what you have to do is, um and the second thing that you have to do is set a timer for 25 minutes. One thing that you have to focus is that the 25 minutes that you're taking should be exclusively involved, you should be exclusively involved in this particular task that you want to do. And after the 25 minutes, the timer will go off. And when it goes off, what you should do is you have to note it down in a journal and you should take a short break. The break can be for 5 minutes, it can be for um, taking a coffee break, it can be for anything, any sort of thing. And just take a coffee break and come back after 5 minutes, and you can repeat the technique as you want to do your task. So when you've completed three or four Pomodoro techniques, what you should do is you should take a longer break that is of about 25 to 30 minutes. So this technique is very famous and it helps you to focus yourself to your studies or whatever you want to do, and will be extremely helpful for students who are trying to learn the online mode of learning right now. So all the best.